Greetings once again to all my fellow watch enthusiasts on YouTube and Facebook and wherever else this video is being seen. 'Tis I, Celine Driver, once again, with another unboxing. Yes, I just can't stop, can I? But in all fairness, I did sell a couple, 3 watches recently, so I have maintained the size of my collection as too big, but not grotesquely too big. But anyway, what have I got? Well, the outer box should be a giveaway. Unfortunately, I had to repair this outer box because this seam gave way, so I've already taken the inner box out, but the outer box has the logo of Zelos again. Yes, I can't stay away. I love my Zelos watches. Although I did sell one recently to a gentleman who was overseas who really wanted a blue face, blue bezeled hammerhead in bronze. Couldn't find one. I had one. Honestly, I wasn't wearing it that much, so I sold it to him. So I had 10, dropped down to 9. Now I have 10 again. And that's because I have this. What's this? Well, this is one I've had my eye on for quite a while. But before I do that, give me a second. Okay, sorry about that. Now, what do I have in here? Well, we have your standard Zelos beautiful dark wood box. I love the Zelos packaging, I really do. They really do a great job. And we have our Zelos leather style roll, which I opened right side up this time, which is good. Let me adjust this down a little bit. There we go. And what do we got? Well, we know we have a warranty card. And this is serial number 36 out of 100, I'm led to believe. And we have the Zelos leather strap. Nice brown one, which in all honesty isn't going to work with this particular watch, but nice to have. Nothing in there. And here is my star. Ta-da! It's a Mako. Ceramic bezel, 120 clicks, nice solid unidirectional feel, lines up beautifully. The quality is always there with a Zelos watch. I have never had one yet that had any problem. And technically I've had 11 of them, but now I still only have 10. But I've had enough to, I think my opinion counts for something when I can say that Zelos watches have never given me a problem. And that's, I have watches that cost more and have given me nothing but grief. So, Elshin, you're doing a great job. So what do we have? We have beautiful stainless steel case, screw down crown. You can see it's already going. I haven't even wound it yet. So screw down crown. It's a very tiny crown. That's probably the only nitpicking. If I had to do any kind of criticism of this watch, it would be the crown is so small. But that's really nitpicking. One click does the date, and 2 clicks does the setting. So where are we? Are we in the morning or are we in the afternoon? And it's hackable, as you can see. And we are in the afternoon here where I live. And it is 4:45 in the afternoon where I live. I'll give it 20 winds to get her going. And that should be 20. One click again to get the date, which today is the 12th. Day before Mother's Day, at least here in America. I don't know if they have Mother's Day or overseas or anything, but if you haven't done something for your mom by now, shame on you. Screw the crown in. There it goes. Always carefully catch that first thread so you don't strip it. So, what do we got? I'll give you the vital statistics. We have a Mako diver with that gorgeous Mako shark engraving on the back. 500 meter capability, 316L stainless, number 36 out of 100, sapphire crystal. Screw down crown. The detail on that shark is beautiful. I mean, even down to the teeth. Hopefully you can see that. So we have a 40 millimeter case, 20 millimeter lug width. Are you listening, Squale, with your 21 millimeter lug width silliness? 20 or 22, folks. It ain't difficult. End of rant. 46 millimeter tip to tip. And 13.5 millimeters thick with don't do any scuba diving, I will change this out for a leather strap, like I did on my other Mako. Now, why did I have to have another Mako with the orange when I had already a perfectly fine blue Mako, which I love and wear often. Well, those of you in the United States will recognize orange and blue together being the colors of my beloved Florida Gators. I can't wait for the hate mail that's going to hit me because of that, but whatever. So orange and blue means something to me. So now I have an orange Mako and I have a blue Mako. Hey, Elshin, how about combining these two into one watch? Blue one, blue face, blue bezel with the orange track. I'll buy that. I'll buy two of them. Just a thought. Anyway, I mean, that was part of the reason, but I just really like the look of this one. A little bit more purposeful looking than the blue one. As you can see, I've put this on a leather strap. Cost me $35 at my local jewelry store. Transferred the Zelos buckle over to that, and it looks very similar actually to the rubber strap, but it's more comfortable for me. So I'll be ordering another one of those on the next opportunity that I get. Put that on, but for now I will keep the Zelos black rubber strap. And we'll just do a quick wrist shot. There you go. And as you can see, it looks great on my 7.5-inch wrist. Fits beautifully. Lugs ride perfectly on my wrist. No problems at all. And only being a 40 millimeter, this is about as small a watch as I generally wear, with the exception of my couple of my vintage watches, which are obviously from another era and much smaller than this. But in terms of the modern era watches, 40 is about as low as I go. So there you go. Nice little quick review of my brand new Zelos Mako orange black. Love it. Just love it. Beautiful work all around. It's just a great all around look, great looking watch. And happy to have it in my collection. So if you liked the video, I'd appreciate if you give me a nice thumbs up. Helps me out. Consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed to my channel. I try and do videos about watches fairly often, and eventually I'm going comments, even the ones that are wise ass like or nasty or well, not too many of those, or not positive. I'll still respond to you. So I thank you for stopping by and watching my unboxing of this watch. Go ahead and check out my other videos. I think you'll find good factual information on my other watches, and I look forward to seeing you in my next presentation.